Also on the top bar we have measuring tools. So first of all, it is smart snaps. I will show you how smart snaps are working. For example, if I want to shift the origin in this model, I will turn off the toolpaths machine. Here it is. Here's the origin. I can drag it. Now you can see that smart snaps are turned off. So there is no snap happening in the corners of the workpiece. But if I turn on smart snaps, I can see that snaps, and not only snaps, but also the guidelines appear. I can snap to the middle, I can snap to the corner. Okay, this is smart snaps. Very useful feature for many applications in SprutCAM. So this is smart snaps. Okay. Then couple of words about measuring. If I double click on the model, I can see the measuring already. So SprutCAM automatically defines what I want to see. If it is a circle, I can see its diameter. If it is curved surface, I can see its diameter in the point which I clicked like this. I can see the diameter and the length. Here I can see the dimensions. But also we have some additional measurement tools. For example, this is geometry measuring tool. So I can click and get more info about geometry. Here I have my toolbar which shows me my measurements. So I have coordinates if I need, and other parameters. Okay, and we have another measure tool, which is a ruler. I can click and drag and measure to the dimensions between two different points on my model. For example, like this. Or for example, like this. These are measurement tools.